In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Instagram without a recovery code. So if you're already logged into Instagram, this won't work. What I suggest you do is you just open up Instagram, and then there's going to be an option that says I forgot password or whatever. And then you click that you don't know your password or email. And then it says like a login without code, and basically you need to write a ticket support to Instagram team and then tell them, hey, I want to log in without receiving a recovery code, I lost my phone, my old phone number, whatever, and that should be able to do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.